This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, July the 12th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening. We still have a dissipating frontal boundary across the south and southeastern part of the country. The monsoon over the south and west, and around here, just dry and mainly sunny. The watch morning map also shows that. This is a little before midnight last night. Some heat issues over the far west, some flood issues over the Texas Gulf Coast. Otherwise, it's darn quiet across the country. The QBF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock continues to show the heaviest rain in the Ohio, Tennessee Valley into the lower Mississippi Valley, and the monsoon in the west. And around here, we could get some rain. So we'll take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. The bulk of the heat over the state of Utah, with a bit of a zonal flow near the U.S.-Canadian border and some disturbances in the Dakotas. GFS is being a little bit bullish on the rain again. Could there be a shower? Yeah, better chances up in the Dakotas and not around here, although can't really rule it out. But here on Friday, the chances do go up, especially in the western half of the state, maybe 20%. That's saying a really good chance by this point. And Saturday in the eastern half of the state, temperatures behind this system will start to climb back into the 90s as the heat returns, as does the humidity. And by Sunday to end the weekend, it's going to be warm again, and we're going to go into another stretch of hot and humid weather as if we want any more. And Monday, same story, hot, humid, highs well into the 90s, heat indices near or approaching or exceeding 100 again. The GFS bullish on the rain again. Tuesday, the rain is to our north. Doesn't that seem appropriate? Minnesota has gotten a lot of rain this year while we're baking and the crops are dying, and that looks to be the case again Tuesday. And Wednesday, a frontal system will begin to sag southward, and that could kick off a shower or storm, but we've heard that before. So we'll kind of look in future model runs. And even a week from today, the ridge is being suppressed southward a little bit, flattening out with some disturbances on both coasts, up in Canada, however. And there could be some Gulf moisture around, but high pressure over the Great Lakes, easterly flow, that means a dry wind, and that means the chance of rain you see here is probably not going to be around next run. A couple days later, the 23rd, disturbance in eastern Canada and Quebec. Disturbance way up in northern Canada. Around here we have a ridge somewhere in Oklahoma, Texas, and we could see maybe a shower storm, but again, we've heard that before, and this could be gone on the next run because this is way out there, almost a week and a half from this point. And at the end of the forecast on the 27th, oh boy, here's the ridge again. That trough that we've been seeing the last couple of days, well, that's long gone. Surprise, surprise, it's being replaced by a ridge. And that means the rain you see here is likely not going to happen, but the heat and humidity will probably be around again just in time for the end of Ragbri, so we'll keep on our eyes peeled. So thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday.